Nigeria also is the epicenter of terrorism, coming second after Afghanistan. And that is after it had made a $1 billion donation to Afghanistan. Your Excellency, I say this because Nigeria lost an opportunity of righting all these wrongs because of the activities of some political buccaneers who don't wish this country any good. However, Your Excellency, I want to state that today is the 6th month and 22nd day of our tertiary institutions being locked up in Nigeria, whereas all these institutions to which your visitor are up and running. So, Your Excellency, you can imagine my state when I say I welcome you with mixed feelings. We are not surprised as to what you are doing today. Your Excellency, you have today placed Emowa on the map, on the global map. With this institution here, it means that this would have opened doors to future developments in this local government, and we cannot thank you enough. Your Excellency, how else can we thank you that of all the institutions that are in Rivers State, we have Emowa's sons who occupy enviable positions in these institutions. We have the Vice Chancellor of the Rivers State University, our own Professor Nlerum Okobule. We have the Vice Chancellor of the Ignatius Nigerian University, our own Professor Okechukwu Onduchukwu. We also have the Provost of the School of Medical Sciences of the Rivers State University, in person of Professor Chidi Lloyd, whose alma mater today has been turned to this university. Your Excellency, both Professor Chidi Lloyd, myself, and your Chief of Staff will, after this commissioning, not have anywhere to refer to as our alma mater. Your Excellency, but even in that, we still give thanks to God and we thank you, because we know that you are not a man who will leave us without an alma mater, because we will still look forward to going back to our alma mater to give back to society. And Your Excellency, we want to thank you. Thank you for all that you have done. We would not want to go into the chronicles of history, how we lost our alma mater. But Your Excellency, do not let me be one who will not take my children to the school that trained me. I know you will not want me to suffer that fate. Having said so, Your Excellency, I welcome you to the land of Emowa, and to leave you with the biblical quotation in Ruth chapter 1 verse 16, that you don't bid us not to follow you. That wherever you go, we will go. This is what the Emowa people have told me. That your people shall be our people. Your God shall be our God. And wherever you lodge, we will lodge, Your Excellency. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all.